When tip of the tongue touch the lower part of upper front teeth, then these letters are pronounced. Tha, Zal, Zo. Zal and Tha are light letters. And Zo is heavy letter. There is no whistling sound in Tha. Like Seen. Seen is
whistling sound.
And Tha.
No whistling sound.
And there is no buzzing sound in Zal and Zo. Like Zo. Zo has
No
buzzing sound. And there is no buzzing sound in Zal and Zo. When tip of the tongue touch the back side of upper front teeth, then Dal is pronounced. Dal. And side of the tongue touch the root of the upper molar teeth. Tongue is lifted towards palate, making narrowness in throat. This is heavy letter. Dod. Say Dod. Dod. Here tip of the tongue. And here side of the tongue. Say side of the tongue. Right. Dal. Dod. Dal. Dod. Tha. Seen. Both have different sound. Tha. Seen. In this seen there is a whistling sound and Tha has
No
whistling sound. When tip of the tongue touch the lower part of upper front teeth, then Tha is pronounced. Tha. No whistling sound. And when tip of the tongue touch the root of the lower front teeth with a little gapping, then Seen is pronounced. Okay? Seen. Tha. Jeem. हैवी लेटर कौन से होते हैं? ख, स्वाद, डॉट, टो, ज़, ग़ाइन, क़ाफ. These are heavy letter. Okay? For example, in the Surah Fatiha हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? Surah Fatiha में इहदिने सिरातल. इहदिने सिरातल. अगर हम कहेंगे इहदिने सिरातल तो इसमें ये ता आएगा, फिर ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. राइट? मीनिंग रॉन्ग हो जाएगी. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? इहदिने सिरातल. से इहदिने सिरातल.